Monday morning market preview. Journey to become wealthy, day 12. So this morning, of course, we're going to start with our futures and just see what we got. I know we did a quick run through last night, but today, we always want to check in the morning. So the Dow, we got 0.09, S&P 500, 1.17, NASDAQ, 0.39, and these are all positive in the positive. Okay, we got some movers this morning. Pfizer's up 1.36%. That's the healthcare. So that might be something to check out today. Delta Airlines is down. Coterra Energy Inc. down 6%. They must have some news behind them. Those are some pre-market movers. I always try and check some things out. Okay, I don't see anything major. We got some minor ups, but for whatever reason, the S&P 500 is up 1.17%, where the others are only up 0.39 on the NASDAQ and 0.09 on the Dow. So that, I don't know, that's something to look into, see what we can find. Stock futures rise ahead of Federal Reserve decision. Future stocks rise before central banks meet. Markets wrap. We're going to check out the Wall Street Journal, see if it gives us a good read. U.S. stock futures pointed to muted gains for major indices ahead of busy week of central bank decisions in major economies. Futures for the S&P 500 rose 0.3% Monday after the benchmark gauge closed last week at its 67th record high of 2021. Okay. Moderna shares rose 2.4% in pre-market trade. Moderna and Pfizer look like they both might be up. I mean, you can trade in the pre-market if you want to. You just got to be sure you can handle that volatility. And it is a day trade. We want to get in and get out if we're going to trade in the pre-market. That's not something, we want to sit there and hang around for, because you'll be left holding the bag. And when I say left holding the bag, I mean you're going to buy high, and you're going to be stuck holding it high when it starts coming back down, because you don't want to sell and lose your money, lock in those losses. Okay, so Moderna and Pfizer, there might be some things to look at. We also check out Johnson & Johnson, since that, is kind of related to it. All right, let's see what we got on our stock heat map. Okay, look like we got a fair share of green. Some of the numbers pretty much seem the same as last night when we checked it out. We got some mixed emotions. Technologies, it's green and red. Financials got some green and red. Communications, some green and red. Healthcare, we see Pfizer right here, bright green. Healthcare look like it got. Okay, we might check that out today. We might look at that today. Tesla's up 1.32%. Consumer. Amazon's down 1.13%. Energy sector looks mostly green. And consumer goods is mostly green again today. So, hey, that might be where we're going soon. We're going to see how things play out before December 15th. So let's not forget, y'all, the debt ceiling has not been voted on yet. So I'm going to play it safe this week. I will average down into any of my stocks, and I may sell something if it goes up. If I see a big pop today, if I got something in there. But until this debt ceiling vote is done, I don't think, unless there's a company out there that I like and I don't have me a piece of already, I don't think I'm going to be jumping on anything. I know we talked about Apple all last week, so Apple may be something I jump in if it comes back down this week. But if not, I'll sit here and keep watching